Hi everyone, and welcome to our module number 1. So we are going to get started. In order to get you started off on the best foot, we need to start out with the orientation. So if you're in the module, haven't done your orientation quite yet, please stop right now, move back to the orientation because that will help you. You will also complete your orientation highlight questions, and again, those are key facets that will assist you with some information that will help you to be successful throughout the course. So what we're going to do is really dive into our first module, and we are going to focus on chapters 1 and 2 of your Merrill textbook. And with that being said, this lays the foundation for the entire course. So we're really going to dive into epidemiology, what it is, a definition of epidemiology, and very often we think of epi as something that's solely focused on public health, which it is deeply embedded within public health, and it is the foundation for public health. However, there are broad and expansive applications of epidemiology in everyday practice. So what we are going to really focus on is looking at how epidemiology really touches almost every aspect of practice. And that's especially relevant when we're looking at where we are as far as the past of epidemiology. So the history is really important. That's what we're going to go through in chapter number 2, and looking at the triangle of epidemiology and looking at that transmission of infection. And right now that's very, very pertinent to us and very real and relevant. And also looking at that same triangle on an expanded viewpoint. So we're going to get into that as well, and illustrating how that really has a strong dynamic with healthcare as we know it, and overall wellness, and some of the aspects we're going to dive into as far as the level of prevention with primary, secondary, and tertiary, and looking at that in different aspects wherever we happen to practice. All of those principles apply as well. So this is a really cool module because we're really going to lay that groundwork for success as we move forward. So you will be doing your introductions through the discussion board. So you're going to get to know each other because we're going to be having conversations over the next 8 weeks. So it's really important to get to know each other, as well as diving into some of the really hot topics as far as what is the foundation that we really need to know about, and to help us to move forward in our educational practice and as well as our clinical practice or our leadership practice. So with that being said, you're going to finish discussion board number 1, and please feel free to interact in the discussion board and drive home some of those key concepts that will really solidify your understanding, such as efficacy and effectiveness, those types of things. There are nuances that are different, so we need to know what those differences are, and that's what we're going to be guiding as we move forward. So please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Do your readings, start out there, and you may want to look at the PowerPoints that are included that may help you to it's sort of an outline of the content that's in your book, so that may help you to solidify some of those very foundational components of epidemiology. So with that, you also have some valuable information from the CDC, the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation. So we're going to start diving into some of those resources that will help you not only in this as far as the course itself, but it will help you in your practice, and knowing those really key resources to actually refer to or to examine will elevate your practice as well. So this is all about being real and relevant. So if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. But I am so excited to share this course with you. This is really a fun course, and I'm glad that I have the opportunity to share the summer with all of you. So let me know if you need anything, and take care.